Ogechi came and invite on Monday. Ogechi refused to come. Where be na Abuja here? Be hide there. Hide there in a desert. I go to 30 minutes from my house to Ebeme Ogechi arrest yesterday. Ogechi hided in Kubwa. Ogechi hided in Kubwa here in Abuja from Owerri. Ogechi no where Megani. Where also from Owerri and Agbado say post everywhere. Ogechi now ran away and they came to Abuja and they hide in a desert here in Abuja Kubwa. At the end of the day, what happened? After hide each other, Guinea Mary, Aguamono and whenever Ogechi no, I'm fish here out. I was there yesterday when they arrested Ogechi Okeke Njaka here in Abuja. Oneru sisi anyam mili. Ogechi started crying. When we told you that you will be apprehended and they brought to Abuja, you think we are joking? It is Yakage where Biaza and Abuja be high there. Each and I blew. Naka is Ruzia Jana Nambram or Wimo State and Achari. Emo Kunaga one, Wamanya Naga one, Megan and Nene. In a chance, somebody de Kamanya send Anama Yego na Facebook. Anama Yego na Facebook. Imechakwa batana Nigeria, so go to her where you walk wego. Your way go ano, your way go pepper soup, your way go Asia Tangwari. In a chamanya. A year go need Yara na Facebook. Look at Jinjin inconsequential human being. Look at you get Benaja them. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Kono sena, hey, no joy is coming. Na yama Ogechi arrest in Kemekonke. Ngwa Jinjin si ana huye ko yeme. Okwe kurumoku a go for last month. We said obu na this month to carry an obu na ngudo Ogechi. Ono bana mu abro kensele. Now Ogechi is in the hand of Interpol here in Abuja. Ogechi machetre last night. Eto I can say no Ogechi last night here in Abuja say, okay baby, Ogechi could not save him. Aro Ogechi na emetua. Aro Ogechi na shiva. When no Ogechi say, oh, after this you're gallivanting, so you know to like this. Now Ogechi end go up in that police station Agwaya Warake Yabia. On a hide and it's one Yibuam. At the end of the day, Nagademe, Ogechi have been arrested. Hello? The sexy of the Most High tonight. Ha! Bia, go and call that girl to bring that champagne for me. Go and call that girl. Are you not listening to me? Preach on. Okay.
Guys, Kelunda mama na Nibola. Kelunde ana photos number 1. Just ugodezio.
Abego Nibola ndi ejigoro e mara number 1 bụ ndị Nnewi karịsịa.
Dana chegoro na state.
Anambra now.
Abịala Anambra Kelunda mama.
Ndị Nnewi nu.
Akwande Nnewi. Reason maybe I'm not sure. Ogechi Okeke Njaka.
Nine. At all. Ha! Franco Colli.
I swear with my life.
Oriake don't need to tell me Nnewi bugodo ukwu. Sexy.
Always safeguard. their territory very hard.
Frank Okoli Ogechi Okeke Njaka have been arrested here in Abuja yesterday evening. By this time, could you not feel? Or preach on. Algebra. Shebi I tell the noble no fair on Monday. They are watching I could see what happened. No.
Respect
Preach on. Preach on Nayamba.
Petition,
Did you call him? Huh? Trust nobody, so now add the champagne here. Add your champagne. Or you preach on.
Stupid Jim will problem. We can't be hopeless. Jinjimudi Guguje Gujeli and upon a name we are come money. When your mamma of Sibe, when you're going to be my banana, whether and keep with true or false.
Of course, true.
God bless. The poor made it don't smile. Ogechi feel not white. I try me papa. You when I page you look at your page post. Ogechi feel not white.
Please, sir. Help me to bring champagne for me. Tell Benetta to give you the champagne. Give me a glass cup. If she fell, I will slap her tonight. I'm not joking. Ogechi Pastor Piawa Choma Berry, Golden Berry, Dalo. Thank you for the star.
I have full petition, yeah. I have full petition in front of water.
Ochana na egwu.
Yes, she make a well for you. Imana how we flex, they don't know.
Na nekwane star. Thank you for the star, $100. Champagne. About the star can need in Abania. With an egg, actual me, quick from Abania, Agme enjoyment when Tata Friday and Domana Dieta. I say, Quemesi put account here. Kequemedoya account, Kono na doyego. Joy have finally come. Ori preach on. Okay, do we need equacies in your godomu of Fumo words and Angasia? Kequemequatu no Bolaro. Preach on the six of the Most High.
We cannot insult Odogu.
Let's see, Fanny, Bakaresia, then I walk it. Paria. Try. I saw Ogechi last night by this time, then near to eyeboard by eyeboard. Hey. The language. 99 star. Dalo. Nanya sia. Na the pen age star go ma. Omaka melon. Chai. Ogechi Galavant. Hey, Kisly criminal. Orio da criminal. Ode timwa that Tuesday. I know any na target, yana target, I know any. I want I just adopt the adopter. Fiona, Tangorono, Fiona, Sharon, Jinjim, Ide water. After that, I can go soon. Yeah, Nana who get to Avam.
The capacity, anything. The capacity, I have the capacity. The capacity. Mana, I will teach her the language we understand very soon. Oh yeah, man, if the social media work as you on. Oh yeah, man, every chance now, early now, saga Ghana, Ghana, early when you wish to come more, you know, to the web of way. The women, will eventually get
Dalomaka Melody. Now, I want to say, cancel. I should concentrate. I am here concentrated again. That of enjoyment. Yen no here, bo. Mwesi today. Echi. Abiam rogede. Agwa Ogechi Okeke Njaka say no ya tafu. Now look at how this thing happened. When Ogechi hide here in Abuja, Obela here last 2 weeks. At the end of the day, Ogechi Anagalavanta nene sinenun kaku. The highest security na Nigeria no here in Abuja. Secret CCTV carry. That is why you cannot do nonsense here in Abuja. You can do that in East. But here in Abuja, FCT, who are you? Email him 2 minutes age they go. Oru on Monday. Njiriwa when you get your device with intelligent caller. Where see one okay get man ebiara. That Monday where be Sunday Interpol. At the end of the day, nature get your advice. I say, one intelligent caller better here. No get your advice here. No come man or biaro. When I'm an oya, be a man oya adreya worst. Now watch how it will play. Omohan at that time, we have already know we are getting on a hydre na kubwa here in Abuja. We are just looking at her. Go with Abia. Ogechi, Potazia, where Barry. Hey, ne one on Ibo, ne one on can, ne one on can, ne one hanka. Bia. Ne one on can, ne one on cause. Go. I see, okay. Jen Ike, Omaka Meregi, Jen Ike. Ogechi have been apprehended here in Abuja yesterday. So Jinjim na Barigmaka na Emerigi race. And Nyehonye go. Or what na baga saga Jekuro Gechifa. Now have you seen it to Chideka Nasi Aroro? Jen Ike. At the end of the day, on Tuesday, Ogechi ana pari ori akori da ori ba. I know ni asine no nkakwa. When exam be my life we go Ogechi say Ogechi Okeke Njaka jira aka gi je na headquarter, police headquarter. Ga report all yourself Ogechi ana eme gbirigbiri nene. Omakwani ihe na eme. At the end of the day, Oweruo yesterday, around 6:30, Emechan video around 4 o'clock. Obono ewenende target channel around 4 o'clock. Mecha about 5-6. On the end 6 o'clock, end the other video. Delete that video. At the end of the day, hi, now you shield. Hi, Chineke. At the end, we're joining at the trip. Oh, where are you? Go. Forget you web things like this. If I choose or bam. At the end, Eburo Ogechi na moto. Where when I first headquarter yesterday. By this time, he an email. That is when you made video. Ni ma bana, but I'm very late. Ogechi ala kwa. Jesus. Because no. Please, because no. I said, come on, enter this car. Handcuff, bam. Okay, baby. I said, hi, Jesus. Because no, not I got a mouthful because no. Because no, not I got no mouthful because since 5 months. I was there alive by this time. Yesterday. Ogechi na akwa nene. Say uncle na akwa kwimpin chai. O metatakwara na arụ ka ọ na akwa nwe. I swear. If you are marụ nwụọ, ozugbo etiere Ogechi handcuff n'aka kpa. Si aba n'ime moto. Eke bụrụ rock gwam. Mụ asofa. Wotowo na police station. Ogechi setanu oyi animal skin. One shotgun with legis. We buru mpakara hair, synthetic hair. Of a man tofia that nonsense openis. Say, Ogechi Okeke Njaka, so look at you. So wretched. So at the end of the day, Ufaka onaga kanam. Ogechi could not say a word. You know the sakwa. Jesus. Not I go one of my too much. I was in the mess and me. I was in the mess and me. See, I have mess on who you? A criminal like you. Kiss me have one messy. Chireke blog on. But then justice I was out to Abuja. Kiss I was a criminal. Uriaka was a Rioda. Akaraka was an intelligent tohu. Ogechi de cool off nan and kende Interpol. How are you?
Fine. Yesterday you go, you no pay.
Yeah. I later told this girl I'm coming. Okay. In fact, come. How much be the?
It's 2,000.
I was rushing out that yesterday, okay. So that is why. Okay. Take.
Thank you, sir.
Now, Pimpin where arrive was there na police station na kende Interpol. Are you not the one that is running since all this while? Ogechi could not say a word. But do you know what makes me to? I shed small tears yesterday. Ogechi Okeke Njaka kwetere that nana. Dana for real. Nikede. Akwako nebe. Wasn't gonna back on the police, police, and the worst thing now, Ogechi bar now, let me tell you people, nobody that will come and rescue Ogechi, even from America. Do you know that Ogechi Okeke Njaka Kurunde in the embassy, American embassy, ase? Where Bahada Nana, Nezuru passport, Yezuru. The worst thing here may be here. Keke, answer me. It's a more champagne. Keke, some good. Kede Jorum. Keke, una take no Ogechi hideout. Keke, you want to say how una take no Ogechi? So Mbiawaga here. It's not possible. Don't you know that I na roll with it, with everything invested in us? This is champagne. Originally go. Abapia Panamanya. Hey! You don't read your name. Oh, yeah? Hey! In fact, that was a man we had a bottle. I deserve it. This is champagne. Ababego. I deserve it. Nkagwa Kenji aka ngoro now. Yeah, 45,000. Ana meje club na anyasị a. Yeah, man can happy me enjoyment in anya second. At the end of the day, campaign video and the pictures in the here. At the end of the day, campaign is your embassy as we ban an Ezuru passport ya. Without our the Ezoku than an authority with a passport ya. Ogechi Amaro than a Kabata and Abuja here. So what do I got prison? No problem. I'll go and I got the prison. It concern you. If I go to prison, is it your own prison? Yes, now I cannot say everything. At the end of the day, Ogechi Roso than an authority na me here. No authority na head of now. Bruise yourself, just with the make order. Then passport had an akawanya. Ogechi weje toro has. Yeah, was really came to America. Judge one be America. If you are living in America, police or immigration and upon her eyes, mwetegi. Yeah, I may ba say ezu do mampas. E kwese me block but I cannot block you. Oh, you see? What is that? Ego saga. At the end of the day, Ogechi Okeke. Now, ask people that live in America. Immigration or police when they get green card. And I said that you are an American citizen. At the end, they want find their out need you green card. Or madam in the jenga. Now Ogechi Asigoro embassy asi. That now we have why now we have the police Interpol where. Now can they rescue Ogechi Okeke Njaka? How are they going to come and rescue Ogechi Okeke Njaka? Everything is not by lying. The worst thing you may be through authority ase. But I say had when they get a mad on a problem or get a congregation with problem. Here data where me has his passport. Why must you lie? Don't you know that they will put it on their system and they find out that no authority which means you lied against authority. It's a very big offense. Judge on America. Obona then most of the green card is 80-20 chance. Obona police because green card. Go ahead green card. Obona neighbor citizen. Go ahead neighbor citizen. Emecha find that out neighbor citizen. Nothing will happen to you, but Emecha find that out neighbor citizen. Yeah, a very big offense. So Ogechi committed a very big offense as well. For people that can rescue her, which is the American embassy. Now, Mirabel jidere akaroko. Disrespect ya. At the end of the day now, kedu Mirabel yes we nwo phone pa akaroko na say na biko sorry. Kedu Mirabel yes we coop yeah, me won't know this thing. How? That is why you name here no wa. Me fetu makechi. Sharon will use Wogi, we take a Karoko picture where they just send you out. And then I now Ogechi Okeke Njaka. You never know what you committed. Sharon will use Wogu. Jinjin will use Wogu. Fiona will use Wogu. He wears a Karoko picture. Now, how are you going to do this thing now? Tell me. Can you take a phone upon one Karoko? In you go see no nuka. Now, Jinjim, where my passport, my driver's license, where we put outside. You, my life now is at risk. Jinjim Venza, come back to something now from today. Mark out today's date. Oh, yeah, mega vanaya. Obu ni je hunger, Ma obu na me emego hogi ye na authority, Jinjim nanya ya phone. Ye na chono wa ma phone. I will tell you. For you to bring out judge or anywhere. My document is confidential thing. I didn't give it to you. I didn't give you order to post my distance. Listen, Jinjim, imani nezu something that you will guess. It I know na Vietnam or they can or na what he have na Vietnam eba one. Cause they can not Nigeria when they you will document him the way post to. Don't you know that my life is in your hand? And I could go, hi, Gingiversa, hi, Odogo. You with a document. Cancel it, we're left outside. You must go to jail. Mark today's date. Tatabo, Gene. Tatabo. See, what is today's date? Auntie, check your phone. What is today? 9, Abby. Okay. Gingiversa. Thank you. Gingiversa. Today is 9 of May. Remember, it's your birthday. Tata, your birthday. Where May, remarkable day. Gingiversa. Tatabo 9/05/2025. Mark today's date. I will remember this date. It is where remember Ogechi Okeke. Ije hunger. You must go next time. Get a month. We celebrate our birthday today. Wash the answer is no. We celebrate our birthday. Sharon, okay, wait, nowhere to be found. Fiona, nowhere to be found. On there now. Aqua kege, but one mother saga, but one saga, but dimpa hakage. Tata kime 55 years. Aqua go, but one mother saga. Ide water. I pity for you. Kango kwari ono. Ide water. Sharon, Fiona, Gingiversa. Hey! Hey! Sharon. And couldn't record Romawa. On our ways. I didn't give you permission. It's cheap bank. More cheap anybody. I say this call is being recorded. Obo nature record or able nature say proceed. You know, any way put my record outside. You bring my information, my passport and my driver's license outside. Sharon, I pity for you. Ija honga gina Gingiversa. Eja honga gina Fiona. Eja honga. Mba unoku next time when they get them. Eta case where you get your Okeke Njaka. She think that we are joking. At the end, what happened? Gingiversa, if you're not there, iya tomorrow na akwa. I Maggie, next time if you Facebook in our Kokora, in a million no one use your brain. No be everything over a mother or sentence go see I can go see never. I will look for the one, this safer. And the entire trap on that I will not do it. If we will put a document in mother. My valid passport, my valid driver's license, my valid everything. You mess it up on social media. Gingiversa, you will cry had I know. Sharon, you will cry had I know. All of you that is showing my document, Mandijiri, we make screen record. I don't want to talk. But you see Gingiversa, I will teach you the language you will never understand. You see Fiona and Sharon, I will teach you the language you will never understand. Ogechi Okeke Njaka na tafu nkiena. At the end of the day, Ogechi, aka go Ogechi now. What is happening now? Now, I want you to know this thing and keep this today's date. Ogechi will cause so many names. Tearing this problem. Ogechi will cause so many names that put her into this problem. And the police, when he had forensic, that will go through chat Ogechi Okeke Njaka in through phone Ogechi Okeke Njaka in through chat, everything, my WhatsApp or my Facebook or my Messenger, everything, my email, I trace everything. Forensic, I know go now. So many people will be trapped down for this case. Ogechi on a day like this will happen yesterday. Ethically unawares. So many people that is working with Ogechi Okeke Njaka, both their chat and everything will be trapped down. So many names will be involved. Ogechi Johnny Opoku Ndidieri man this year man command. So many names will come out. So many messages, so many information will come out. Now Ogechi on a detention now tough. Kuje straight. Adaboya Ogechi ya tough like in the book of Nebuchadnezzar. When I told you to disease yourself from so many things, you refuse. So many names we messed up. So many names. Both to chat, both email, both call. Onu abina no oko. So many names will come out from. I had a picking them gradually from WhatsApp Ogechi, from Facebook Ogechi, from every damn thing. Because Ogechi Emeka, I am under the idea one name. What is happening now? And I say I ride on. Ogechi and I ride on. Fortunate after dark, Hanchanine. Gerardine, what is happening now? Gerardine Nagozi Siomwe. So many things is involved. So many things is involved. That account actually almost 500 million naira day. Ogechi Yazakwori and Indiana and Abu made that business. Mandiana ha link up on those things. So many things is involved. Kadonya Kene.
Hello, Casey. Keke.
Dalo.
Good evening.
Amakamele.
Nah, Picono. Ịma o nwere ihe dị n'ụwa. Ọkwa ịfụ sometimes ọ bụghịkwa ndị ahụ gị na ha nọ. Ọ bụghịkwa ndị ahụ na-agba gị mgba with your problem. Ọkwa ndị gị na ha nọ with your problem.
Of course.
Sometimes ọ nwere ndị gị na ha nọ with your. Ịma mgbe a na-correct Ogechi. Ndị mmadụ ana ndị anya na ya na-akwa ya.
Gerardine si ada nwere ihe na-eme mama Gerardine agbakọ flight.
Ka m gwa gị eziokwu, ebere Ogechi na-ada emekwe ma ọ bụkwa sọsọ m so many people since ahụ nọ na Nigeria. Ọ bụ na m nwere my way, aka m like no ihe niile nọ m n'aka. Aka m ahapụ gị anya nawa, but to make and m ga-emeke sure na ọ narụ na ya ha ekwu okwu ọzọ.
Iya asekwa.
Yes, but hapụ ya.
Ọ naghị ana ọ control kwa ebe ọ kwụsịrị.
Okay, n'ile anya mgbe anyị ya na-eme. Mgbe izizi ahụ onwe Maryam Justice kwuru na live video ya sị na mgbe izizi ahụ ọ bịa ya biko ịghọta n'obi ya bịa dawa ya sị oke ọ bụ na ọ continue ọ bịa ya dị ya biko then ha amaza ka a ga-esi wepụta edogwu from authority and ihe ahụ ihe onye ọbụla mere expect ka o mee mgbe ahụ o bido bịawa biko ọ kara just continue with biko ịma ndị Igbo enweghịkwa obi Igbo enwe obi ọ bụ ụmụ ine a na-ada atụ n'Igbo asị na ama ma ọwụ mbebe ya o nwere ine a na-ada atụ n'Igbo asị na amamọ mbebe ya asị na ọ na-akparị somebody maybe ọgọ ya so ọgọ ya eweje kedo ya n'osisi ndị mmadụ ewee na-eji afịa wee fụ ebe ọgọ ya kedoro n'osi wee na-asị ya na ohe fitiri gị so ọgọ ya ahụ gboo ya na ohe fitiri ya na ọ na-akpa ike sinsi so mgbe ahụ ndị ahụ na-eji ndị a jere afịa mgbe ha na-anatazi ha afụkwa mbe ebe ahụ ekedoro ya ha sị ọgọ ya ọka kedokwere ya ebe a asị ndị ahụ asị ọgọ ya dịkwa wiked ịghọta ihe awụ ndị Igbo ha ga-achọ ka emee gị ihe mgbe izizi mana just mechie ọnụ gị maka imerụzie ya onye ahụ gawa ọ bụrụ na mgbe ahụ Ogechi na-arịọ biko na ọ yọrọ biko ahụ rute taa mara ndị aka jide ya ndị mmadụ aka agbachitewegoro ya si hapụzi anụ ya but ọ bịa ya otu obere biko a bido kparịwakwa ozugbo ahụ o bido kparịwakwa ndị otu ahụ ajọ ya kparịwakwa kedu ka unu ga-esi abịa na-akparị onye unu furu na onye nwa ji onye na Naịjirịa unu na-akparị ya unu na-akparị ya like unu achọrọ ịzọ nna abụka mbịa ndị ha na comment section unu na-azụ Ogechi kịta ka unu na-egbu ya unu ma na nwaanyị a ji ya unu na-akparị ya na-akpọ ya ọsọsọ of name ọ bụghị ime ka obi sie nwaanyị ahụ ike ka o jidesie ya ike
ndị a niile nyere aka ka ebe Ogechi ha nwanne ọ bụrụ na ọbụla gị na-abụ na like gị gị na mmadụ wike na ọ na-akọ ọsụrụ bụ pen outside ị na-afụta na gị na onye ahụ
onwe ihe m na
let me ask you something etu amụ na gị na-abụ dị na mma na azumi na instances now ị nụ na akara ọkụ ma arrest ị nwere right ije kparịwa akara ọkụ
for we nga na-ayọ ya
akara ọkụ ọhụ iprovoke kwuru akara ọkụ ka ọ na-eme ihe ọ na-eme m
nga na-ayọ ya gịnị na-akparị dị ya na-abarụ gị mba
ifuru Gerardine bụ the worst onye jekwuru Ogechi Okeke Gerardine bụ onye kọsụrụ Ogechi problem ọ nọ today as I'm talking to you now Gerardine na akara ọkụ ka na-ekwu After that, mechara video yesterday, today. Bari wa karoko baricha. But wa karoko na phone every day. This guy na wa karoko. Mputa Ogechi sia. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Listen, there is time for everything. If Ralisha travel, if you Geraldine, if after that, if somebody like Jijimbaro Fosso, how can you make a video? If wa karoko. After that, na wa karoko up to today. After that, bia ngo yi na obo na video mechara today na ha karoko. Bia were ndogo ngo yi na main road.
But Ogechi on no marry him. Even for
now,
only marry him.
now, Geraldine
No.
now. Now, all akaroko na phone 24 hours. Now, tell you Geraldine me go to Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Everybody ne
I
Ogechi
don't know. I
on
beat you.
Enke block or must give on block or
I
me.
did. What
Yes,
am I talking about? Everybody on block. Okay, remember I got check.
narrator.
Remember I got check.
Okay.
Pick one.
champagne.
Who they will leave? Kiki, don't.
Enke check. Come round the up. Come.
Okay, darling. Okay.
Kiki. Come continue. Kwebe mkosi.
Continue.
Ọ bụrụ na fortunate Alisha travel ndị awụkọ ndị a na-akparị nwaanyị a ọ bụkwa na unu ma ihe ọ bụrụ na unu ma ihe unu shield your sword mechie n'ọnụ ọ bụrụ na amaghị ya biko even if you don't want to beg close your mouth even if you don't want to beg close your mouth ọ bụ na nwaanyị afụ na ebe niile eju oyi onweghịzi onye na-ekwu okwu onweghịzi onye na-akparị ya anyị chabụ ndị Igbo ndị ọbụla ayọwa the woman na-apụta yọwa ya
problem.
Kiki ride ya on
Okay.
mana biko nka na ayọkwa Ogechi bụkwa na nke anyị akọrọ etiti obere ahapụ ya ha egwu ya ha na-abụ na-eje na-abata abata
kedu ebe ị nọ current now? Ke situation ị nọ na ya now? Ọ Nigeria ka obodo oyibo?
Anọ m Nigeria kịta mana nka ga-anachikwe
mba anyị dọọ mesi gị go mmanya maka mụ na gị na-afụ ihe
mba nka nwekwa ike igo gị mmanya nwere ede ebe
ị nwere ike igonye kịta
kịta nwee ike
ọ ntị akaụntụ m ebe a na
ngwa tienụ
achọkwa m original money. I don't need audio ndị ebu akaụntụ na-aga
mba ya ha bụ audio o wee ka ha dị too much mana ya ha bụ audio
ọsọgode bụ 1000 naira ndị emego m ihe nke ọ bụla m wepụtara eburu ha na-akpagharị
mana Kiki ka m kwukwa Ogechi ụkwanụ nwanne anyị kọrọ etiti obere anyị ahapụ ya agaghị egbu biko
anaghị egburu mmadụ na ọkwa correction ka ajiri ya bịa ka correct ya dị okwu ka ọ dị mma mana Geraldine and after that and fortunate kpọrọ ka Ogechi
ya kpọrọ m na asị mmechi ọnụ m so I want to shut up.
Ị mana ha chọrọ ịnụ anyị ka ha yara asị gị mechie ma ọnụ m otele nne m ka ntị ya akaụntụ because n'abalị ahụ enjoyment ka m bịara ime atọ ha kpara ya ma dọsi ọkwa jinjin post na akaụntụ ka ntị ekwuo nke nnọọ mmadụ ka nsogbu 010078947
but they told me to shut up. Akpọla m na Nkechi shut up.
Ekwune biko ekwune
Fortune ajọla nwee
anọ nọ na-egosisi kọmputa ọ na-ọnọzi n'ọrụ
o megezi work from home.
ya kedu na-asị mmadụ stupid woman
mba ihe m nụrụ nwa mechie
Nkechi Benku ifuru taa Ogechi na ebe ọ nọ na-akwasọ nsọ akwa enegide m Ogechi n'abalị si Ogechi ọngụ bụ ihe oge bebi
also no better prepare your now anyway, what is my business?
Do not accept this movie woman call again.
No forgiveness is a sin. Everybody must pay for their sins. Make a mouth walk. Everybody must pay. Everybody nganga.
Mamado.
Even you, Kesili. Nganga.
I've
been shocked that people can feel like cold water. Yeah. Come make a go to my ass. Come make a go to your name. Mapatan on that task. When you met here, I don't need a galavant.
Nkechi. Eka no Ogechi si ebe akwa na aba. Ah.
Chai.
Now na tago no ma for 5 months bezero no ma ebere. Bezero no ma ebere.
Hold on. Kinsiri chere. Oto Mirabel, Oto everybody eweputara. How can we retrieve that? I mean, how can we take those things out of social media? Alama Jiri, this, that. How do we take all those things from social media? I mean, then tomorrow you come out and say that you are sorry. Are you really serious? Nagina madu na ko no gi wroto nwanyi wapota. Guess that they will okalisia. People need to learn.
Nkechi Jordan se kan koro ka iko down. After that, Geraldine na video na I want you to pay attention. Geraldine is ha no block akaro boy block ya. O mecha dere akaro yes ya on block one. Put na review these people so far. Na Geraldine be the worst person on na abo na make here. And after that ka. Can you imagine akaro na me life yesterday?
Yeah, boy, I saw it.
Before then,
I saw it.
We go chat now.
Ima, yenda na amaro. For most of the things in them men. What I go? Ogechi claim that those people are with her, but she doesn't know that they are even the one killing her.
And then at the expo, Ogechi Okeke Njaka say na mbo onya ala na Chineke kpọ m ọkụ nrapụ ya. When this guy and a woman leader, Onezi had an aram with Geraldine. Now, before that call, Geraldine had been talking to Akaroko Agme back today because I won't know Ogechi Okeke Njaka against this.
Anyway, Kiki, at this point now, you need to
be after that, he made today be with Castarmaro. After that, they put on one day, Ogechi arrest. Na Anambra, when I Akaroko no na Abuja here, every day after that, can I walk Akaroko. Now, after that, he made a video here, but it's Akaroko, why a bastard, caught to every day, for Akaroko na phone.
Imagine.
Every day,
anyway,
Akaroko. But what can I one day see? I got my name, got one name. Akaroko after that,
so it is well.
That I didn't have to know.
Then
the woman leader. Oh no, channel with Ogechi Okeke.
Kiki, just at this point now, I will broke a madije man here. What I go? You gotta be careful what you say. What I go?
The ala. And appetite yara. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. You never see anything. You never see anything. At the end of the day, now get him.
I want that thing. Nah, what you master chai. Oh, today, I get a pure phone call.
Onya?
I want a pure phone.
Okay.
You want to quay,
And Anna Korea phone, and I'm going to a police station and here for the shop or lawyer.
Okay, oh, yeah, when you're happy,
yes, and I have a lawyer on our ball gown. Or what a lawyer, another. In Kechibenko. Here, I know I mean, so many names will come out. 91 here.
My anyway, only promise me, Chono. My thing, who that's now. Ogechi has to prove. Ogechi has to prove that no more Njaka wept my nakedness. That is my own. She has to prove how my nakedness came about. That is all. That is all.
Yeah. NK Benko, I'm making on the here.
Daddy.
Yeah, my dear. Udodi. Get against. Oh, when
Daddy, I want to take emoji.
Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Continue.
Oh, when you're on social media. social media kwesị ikuzi a lot of people.
Mana
Ndị gburu
anyị bisi
Ogechi.
ga ni ewekwa n'iwe. Ana m aga
Yeah.
campaign n'abalị a na ya.
Jisike.
Thank you.
Ndị gburu Ogechi Njaka bụkwa ndị agha ya na ya nọ.
Yes now.
Exactly.
Baby I want them.
Mana unu na Nigeria, unu amara ka nwa na America si. We know what is working and we give the information to Nigeria here. Ogechi Njaka, ịhụ na fortunate ahụ. Fortunate Ogbuchere.
Ekwensu.
But the worst enemy Ogechi Njaka. I'm telling you.
If you fortunate and this
I
did the
told
most
her.
worst person Ogechi kwesịrị iru ndị a.
I'm here with my name and everything.
Ekwensu.
Oh, yet so. Now, the major people, Ogechi Njaka, and here the information about that they are here Haneme. Now, here the scam Ogechi Njaka. I'm going to fish him out. I will fish him out. More personally, will fish that butcher out. Because Ogechi Njaka, yes, I could Ogechi, but I'm when they feed the Ogechi Njaka, which is that Obuchere in Kemuama. That guy is so wicked to that woman.
Ogechi will call all of them.
I don't know any other person, but he Kemuana here, and my boy, all what keep him. I'm I tell me, I want to do on the Sean here today, boo. Obuchere, that is unfortunately is a wicked woman being, and Genti. I'm feeling for Ogechi because I saw her cry yesterday.
Don't feel for her, Daddy.
I was watching her. What Ogechi was crying. I was crying when Ogechi is crying. I was crying.
Don't feel for her.
Yesterday, by this time now, I need to see.
I was crying when Ogechi was crying.
You should not have pity.
I want life today. Since today.
You people should not have pity. Pity on what?
This case to Ebuchere.
That is only
I will bring Ogechi out and put Ogechi there.
Ogechi will tell them the truth. That is all. Only Ogechi will tell them the truth.
Ogechi is so wicked.
Yeah,
so wicked.
Yeah, that is how wicked they are. Because I refuse to support their evil.
Ogechi wicked. He's a wicked. Okay. Let me tell you one thing. I hope I'm a Jezebel like that man.
Come out.
I'm telling you. I'm a man of my type. Let him come for me. Let Ebuchere come. Let him come. Let him come for me. Let him come.
You say, when did the queen pin cry?
She cried yesterday. NK, she cried yesterday. I was watching every she was crying. She was crying.
Mr. Widow cry. I cannot send the message.
I will allow people to continue, but I'm coming to Nigeria. I will make video with anybody who is around because of Ogechi. I'm coming to Nigeria. I make a video, but see
the only way they will tinye this bastard now the case if Ogechi tells them the truth.
That's the fraudulent NGO. That's the fraudulent NGO. That's what I'm looking at. If you can get Ebuchere there, that's the fraudulent NGO they are doing. Ever can they check Ebuchere there? Because that man needs to be jailed. He's a foolish man. He's foolish.
This afternoon. Pretend is here no omega hospital work.
Ebuchere get asem ka ga-ewepụta Ogechi ga-ekwe mana Ebuchere ga-aba Ebuchere ebe a ga-etinye ya onwe ya ọbụla ga-eme complicated to Ebuchere. Let me tell you one thing. I don't want to say this. He called me one day. He had his number. I pretend I did. He had his number. Was talking to me.
Yeah, Daddy, you told me that day now.
I was not.
Yeah, you told me that day.
I'm office even. He was calling. Immediately I had the number. I just pressed. I started. You say Buchere. I started laughing at him. He was talking. That is just
voice, yeah.
If I said him, I'm more use the gadget to bring his number. He was telling me, "Can pick here? Can what the only Ogechi send you auto Ogechi? Yeah. I'm not here. I say Ogechi. Yet, yeah, me live video. All of them know that that video Ogechi name, but Ogechi and so.
Even the worst mistake.
No, that's why we are monitoring Ogechi. They didn't know money, medal left, money take all the time she was doing.
Let's see the little girl.
Guy, fortunately when I can't be verified. Fortunately when I can't be verified. Ogechi are fortunate to destroy your family.
Yeah, when I can't, yeah. Name ye Actually, people
fortunate with the family where yes, sir.
Yeah, but on that dark. Yeah, even today I was watching him. Fortunate could not talk. In how my when you met and my people take back a saga. Auto walk wagon. I have to get today.
Information I get. Information I get. Jinelo Ebuchere send there to me.
Even that Anna 3 days ago. Me am toya we clean up. Ma bia ho dia male prince canon lomo here for 8 years now. Out a male prince no
yes.
And when you can on Monday, come on, Akaroku will be church. Yang, where be here? Where go get to see a Yajana police station? Yes, and then according to 2 appointment as ready by 10 o'clock. Then no one of fell on Adria was done. Do you know what Ogechi did? Follow us, ya travel where they cook Ogechi up. Ogechi weapon a weapon on Akaroku criminal. We laugh at her. Immediately where Jeba yesterday came with Ogechi arrest. Can't forget to say Ogechi, did I tell you this or not? And that what I mean Ogechi could not talk. Aqua on their bed. I mess up me on Atagonoma for 5 months. Gemont and Kenji Bromado would tell him. I don't like in wine.
I know the time, the hour, the minute. They were recording how I was watching everything, the whole event, when she was crying. And immediately that woman, God bear me witness, I was crying. I was crying. I was crying. I was
crying. Soft heart now here, Biko.
That you want to change Ogechi no Buchere. Mua gave me. I worked to Ogechi to Buchere. I had talk. I'm on Yembu now. With my arm on Yembu. I'm not office car. I am a Choromi. Make sure that worked to Ogechi to Buchere. That guy is so heartless. How do you put somebody's wife? You want your mother to turn front like very around. How do you do that? Because you know. Get baby only ego. I want not suspect. Had in another friendly NGO. And I can maybe get the information. I'll more as only woman Mary. I'll pick him up and make him to go to jail. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Keki gets used when you're mad. For not his sake. In that one when you're mad, say, oh, Zugame.
Somebody was one thing.
So who is you, Butchery? But I tell ring light, it's Johnny Puezoku. Enough, it's then you want you're in your house in America with your family, peacefully. You love Ogechi not Nigeria, Kuchi Ogechi. Why don't you start making peace and to see that Ogechi Njaka. Why should you do that? Who does that on this planet B? Huh?
Ogechi na one out there now. I want out there na Abuja here now.
I feel for her now. I'm telling you. But in Abuja, I pray God, give me witness in heaven. Come on, I'll leak with Abuja. Na case I'm. Munwa geti
But fortunate on a case here, gentle guy. Fortunate on a case here. Prince on a case here. Stephanie on a case here. Akaroko na dia ya meron explain here. Fortunate I draw safe. He knows.
Abuja the wicked. Nene ni ogu for the nene. I'm mad didn't do the emo there.
There was a case
So
between
it was a
these
family.
people.
It was a family.
There was a case between these
That
people.
was the family.
What half a billion
Naira.
naira?
A woman you should control. Okay, Timber so far. Game is gonna. I'm man.
Apota so get you define. Get you them investment. Mbosachara na.
I feel for her. I feel
Look
for her
at
when she was crying yesterday. I feel for her. God, like a young witness. I feel for her. But Abu no moves against but unfortunately Buchere. Muage Jackam Gab Jidia. Anywhere I got again. Because he's a stupid man. He's a hopeless idiot. How do you do that? Or when you're mad? First, here in the forefront. In America, him the laws, him everything. You don't tell her not to stop. Nah, because we Jim. Continue. I'm okay. We'll talk later.
problem. Don't worry. I know, no, don't worry. Get the moon to come go. If Ogechi Okeke Njaka, the worst thing that happened to Ogechi Okeke Njaka, if for fortunate, if for Alicia travel, if for Geraldine, man, the worst one with Geraldine and Alicia and fortunate. Akaroku na Abobia here. Onyo Ogechi advice. Don't worry. Ihe ni no Ogechi mere kpọọ ma ama son ege. Jide Amaka Dora na nwanne ya nwanyị. Si na nna ha na-ele pass ndị mmadụ ndị Nnewi na any person ọbụla egburu na Nnewi na papa Amaka Dora na-ego pass ya. Every evidence dị here. Amaka Dora we see Ogechi we see Amaka Dora. Gladys we see Ogechi we see Gladys. You will prove them papa ha na-ego pass ndị mmadụ. Ijidi Ifeanyi Ụba onye Nnewi kọtọ. Jide Amaka Dora onye Nnewi kọtọ. Jide Nkechi onye Imo Steeti kọtọ. Jide Kinsiri onye Imo Steeti kọtọ. Jide Akaroko onye Anambra Steeti kọtọ. Jide Mirabel onye Anambra Steeti kọtọ. Now you are here. Genti, ebere na-emere Ogechi bụ just for nonsense. I can never pity Ogechi Okeke Njaka because I have every reason. Una Akaroko bịara here on Monday. Pity ya go to this place and answer these people. Ogechi refuse. Look at it now. Yes, I saw it. Thank you so much.
Oh, Mama, I will send you. Mama, they send a message. I will reply her letter. Kiki, Kisele. Pity out I don't like it. For real. Pity only name Adiroma. Please. No pity, no forgiveness.
Preach on Baba.
If you not like, make una forgive. You no concern me.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening.
Good evening, Baba.
Because okay, with due respect, sir. Ogechi is a baby. Ogechi is above 18 years. What are you saying here? What are you talking? Mother, in a Ogechi, that all of the wine, mother. Ogechi can mother new the wine EP on that show. You do go, you are the same thing in your office. And all wine which you make them mad. Oh, you make them mad. Ogechi that came a pity. Ogechi that Ogechi want to pity for mother.
Ogechi onwere pity. Ye were auto one you wapata. Oh, she don't have pity.
Oganya no why they pity God Ogechi like that. So the young man are not fortunate.
Baba, I'm sorry. Only just a minute. Baba, a minute. Inga pocket. Baba, a minute. I didn't pity Ogechi.
Yes.
Oh, my, two things in the world. Instead, Ogechi do room. Butcher. Nange will have Ogechi to the butcher. I'm not pitying Ogechi. Ogechi, yeah, Ogechi did the Ogechi melody. Oh, me. Man,
No.
we might do two people.
Now.
Two people. You were for. I don't Ogechi do me butcher. We're Ogechi because you were in the sick apple Ogechi upon a head. Oh,
Daddy,
butcher a bear man.
Ogechi on the shini merine. When I want Ogechi about Prince Eguchere, unfortunately, they didn't believe me. These are people that lived with me. Ndubri with me. The Prince held my nakedness throughout he was living with me. Ndubapotara wunye one ha woke no margin na social media. Ogechi bought fight on Amahoto Shibudo. For what? So nobody should have pity on anybody.
Right.
No. Enke, I don't pity to Ogechi.
Ogechi committee go so many things.
Two criminals. He were off. Either
one of them and I'm away.
Because get
heartless.
what is in the cigar Ogechi na hebo? Nkanwa get the day kwesi ese mkenwanya emezina. Yeah, man, you have to have the right to tell the woman not to do it.
Okay, so why don't no problem.
I'm not putting
excuse me, sir. And I really don't do that. Okay, so what a husband.
Exactly.
Okay, so what a husband.
Okay, madam. Barrister. Ogechi, Ogechi Onurugochukwan. Get him a cosi konuko obuted the guy obodo ipo. So Ogechi na gwadi mo dia yan game.
Okay. Let's go and say it's all right. So you don't agree how you
okay. I have had. All I know is this. All I what about Ijele? Let me address.
Baba, I didn't remember Ogechi pity. I sang it. Now Ogechi better yesterday, dear. Just touch. I can never picture Ogechi.
Now she's here. Touch you won't here because touch what? Give me corner touch on.
Excuse me. Can I get together?
Now stop on your people na pity and I
and the Chibo never. Forgive one. Pity who? I want you.
Pity who?
Want to problem.
Baba Genunti. I want to pity. Like I will face the law. Ogechi Buchayeni no mail. Okay, Buya from the A to Z. I'm not pitying her, but the anything about Ogechi finish everything she did, and I want to was I'm good to Ogechi. Now another petition here should bring the petition out. Then Ogechi split that petition from any angle. So that Ogechi more case here, order of 50 petitions. Oga, yeah, me coming. Oga have 50 days in court. That is how we're gonna deal with that fool. How can I get deal with Ogechi Njaka? I can split your case. Put the air condition miracle. Put the air condition high. Now the
And
other one.
if you can know, no forgiveness. Everybody,
Can you say that?
Njaka,
See, okay, I
no
want to go again now.
forgiveness.
Think I forgive. Now, I'm not saying to forgive him
Forgiveness.
or forgive her. What I'm saying, bro.
My nakedness. I mean, am I not a human being?
No.
Ihe
It's what I'm
ahụ
get. Okay, what I'm asking for. What I'm asking get. What I'm
so
asking
nothing
for
like
forgive. What I'm asking for forgive Ogechi Njaka. And what I'm ekwu ka a ga-esi ejide Ogechi ejide egbuchere. Ejide Ogechi ejide egbuchere. That's what I'm saying.
Hello.
Yeah.
Oga na-ekwu okwu. Good
Yeah,
evening.
I'm listening.
Yes.
okay.
Good evening, everybody.
Because come on, and my motor come on, and man no
All right, Daddy, bye-bye.
si ihe m chọrọ ikwu ma ọ bụrụ na ị na-anya moto.
Okay, I'm going
Ekwentị ha ga-abata nata n'okwu a maka na ebe okwu ahụ ga-esi wee dọbata ha bụ ibe onu.
Exactly.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe on this channel, share this video, like and comment. Thank you and God bless you.